Hey guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and it is very, very rare where I ever go out and buy myself anything. I am not a rich person. I do not have a lot of money, so I don't normally go out and do things. I barely go on vacation, and I barely ever buy myself something. So with that said, it was time to change up my headset, change up my mic. I've had this for about 2.5 years, and here's the unit that I currently have. As you can see, very inexpensive, only $30 according to this. The Califone 3068 style headset with boom mic, 3068 USB, which you can probably tell is right on the side here. And the only reason I ever initially picked these up is because I did use them when I worked at a call center many years ago, and they seemed to work fine. So for the price and the functionality to what I needed, they were fine. But I've noticed a lot of videos that there's a lot of popping or background. It's kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, and I can hear it in the background, and I'm sure people can pick it up, but sometimes it's worse than other times, and it was just getting annoying. It was just time to upgrade. So to start with, do I recommend this headset as a beginner headset? Is just someone that wants to maybe play games, or if you use this for a phone device, if you use your computer as a phone, yeah, this is certainly fine for everyday use. If you want to produce YouTube videos and things of that nature, I wouldn't recommend it at all unless you're on a budget like I was at the time. I didn't, so I just used it all along, and I just dealt with it, and it was time for an upgrade. So that's where this video is coming from. So what I purchased was this Samsung Technologies Q2U USB XLR dynamic microphone recording and podcasting pack, which I'm going to open right now. And it's in this little Amazon box right here. And if you want to look at the types of mics, I'm no mic aficionado. I don't know a lot about mics. There's three types of mics: dynamic microphone, which is the one I'm going to open today. And dynamic mics capture sound at high sound pressure levels because they're moving coil magnetic diaphragm design. Yeah, see? And then the condenser mics and condenser microphones are capacitance. How do you say that word? Capacitance instead of moving coils. Capacitance. I don't know. This way, capture increases fidelity and sound quality. This makes condenser mics ideal for home studio setups. So maybe I'll grab one of those next time out. And then you got ribbon microphones, and then there's derivatives of these microphones. And from ribbon, it says like dynamic microphones. They don't require phantom power. I don't have any phantom power anyways. There are active ribbon microphones in the market that do not need phantom power like condenser microphones. I don't know what the hell phantom power is. So anyways, let us open this and try it out and see if it works any better. It's so exciting because, like I said, I don't buy myself anything. So it's like Christmas. All right, so it comes in this little ditty box here. And let's open her up and see what we got. Cut a knife not included. You have to go out and get that on your own. Try your local Walmarts or your dollar stores. Spill my coffee. All right, this looks like the heads. This looks like part of the holder. Here's the mic itself. It's got a whole bunch of goodies. It's got a stand. And the wires. USB connection. Oh, it's got a case. Look at that. Just put that right over there. Instructions. Who needs instructions? All right. I already feel like Sonny or Cher. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. All right, so not sure what this would plug into. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Doing. So, says USB. Oh, I see. So, you got these. Again, I'm no freaking microphone expert. I'm thinking this can go into some type of sound unit, sound mixer, something of that. Um, I don't have that, but this is what the mic comes from, and it goes right in the back. And I'm assuming this would go into your sound mixer or sound unit, whatever you may have to mix sound. So I'm going to put that in the box because I don't need it. And let's just undo this. And people who are watching who know way more about mics than I do, which I don't know dick about mics except that they pick up sound and record. Okay, so in the back, you'll also see there's a place for USB connection. All right, and then obviously that goes in. I have to find a open USB port, which is always interesting. I got a hub in my car, but that doesn't help me, does it? Oh, I think I found a place. Okay. Then there's the on-off button. I just turned it on. I'm not sure if you can see. Oh, yeah, the green lights. All right. And then we got the little hat in case it gets cold. In case it gets cold out, you want to put the hat on. And we'll put the stand together. It just twirls in there if you're not aware. Not overly difficult. Okay, this is a little feet. All right, and then you put the mic in, I think, this way. That would make sense, I guess. Oops. All right, and then, yeah, put it like that. And we're ready to rock and roll, baby. So I'm going to make this cut right here, and then we're going to try this baby out as soon as I can get my camera back to where it needs to be. All right, we'll try with and without this thing. All right, so it should be plug and play. As you can see, it's right there, actually. I tried it with or without the, I don't know, what do you call this piece? The hat. I think it's a sound reducer because you spit if you say certain words like your S's. It's not supposed to make a popping sound. So if you go down here, it should be plug and play as far as this is concerned. So it did pop up as Samsung and automatically went to that. So you can just go into your device and make sure that's set for that. It was also set here for speakers. It's not a speaker as far as I know. So I just put this back to Realtek, my computer speakers. You might have to do that because it automatically did that. And then you can just X out of that, and then I don't know how far I can go from here to pick it up. I'll have to play around with that with certain videos, and I certainly don't really want it in my shot, so I'm going to kind of put it to the side and I guess make some more videos and see how it goes. Now I did make this video for my other channel.
What is today?
And it sounds great.
13th, 1899. Who the hell is that, may you ask? Alfred was.
All right, it sounds great. It's none of that sound that sometimes you can hear in the background. It didn't happen all the time, but it happened a lot with these headphones. So I'm not sure what's going on. If the heat, there's a heat register down here. Maybe when the heat's on, maybe it's for some reason picking that up, or there's something it's picking up it doesn't like, and it's with this headset that it's going. And you can hear it when I play back recordings and things. So this has not done that. And this really picked up sound really good, and you're going to hear it, and we're both going to hear it once I post this. And so this is a real close up. This is kind of sitting on the desk. This is way back. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm loving it so far. So I'll recommend it at this point. If things change, I'll do another video, but it's sounding and looking good. And I like not having that stupid headset on my head. All right, gals and guys, I'm going to put the link to this particular microphone down in the description. I'll also put a link to the headset if it's all right. I mean, it does the job if you're looking for an inexpensive headset. I'll put the link down there as well if you're interested in either product. And then please subscribe if you haven't already. I would appreciate it very much. I'm going to have to get used to this, not having a headset on my head. Please subscribe, please share, please like, please hit the bell, and then I'm going to go record some more stuff and test out this mic. Give it a test drive.